Hello. Let's level up your skills with PAIT.
Here we cater to your software needs in project management, the use of AI, chat, GPT, and many other technologies.
Today's video is based on a request received on Telegram from Mr. Stark.
The link to the group and other social media platforms are in the description below.
You can also leave a comment here.
Now you can see that this is in the default view.
To rearrange all the activities according to early start and then total float, we need to use the group and sort options in P6. These options are available in the quick access bar here or in the view option above.
One quick insight that will help you finding any option in Primavera P6, as sorting is related to just seeing data in a different format. It falls under the view.
P6 has added all its tools or functionalities accordingly.
Anyway, you can see that right now it is sorted according to WBS. We can just click on the first row, and the drop-down menu will show us the option we want to select first. If two activities have the same EF, we want to sort according to total float, TF. So in the second row, I select TF.
When I click Apply, it updates the view.
You may think this is all messed up, and you need it for a single time report generation or decision making.
So go to Layouts and Save As. Choose a name of your choosing, and this view will be saved.
Remember not to save over existing layouts to avoid issues. Now you can change between different layouts with a few clicks and sort your plan accordingly.
If you have any questions or want any specific tutorial regarding project management, PM, or AI, feel free to contact me. Comment below or use the links in the description. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to show support.
It makes a difference.
Let's keep up with the future tech. Bye-bye.